Hello, welcome back. It is day 10 of our 12 days of homemade Christmas. Today we're going to be making soup in a jar. We are going to be making chicken noodle soup today. You could probably do this with almost any other kind of soup. So the first thing we are going to do to start this off is we are going to chop up some veggies. We have carrots, onions, celery, and get them in the dehydrator. If you do not have a dehydrator, you can, when you're gifting these, just say to add these things when whoever you're gifting them to makes the soup. All right, so we now have all of our vegetables chopped up and prepped, so they're going to go in the dehydrator for the night. All right, we're back. The vegetables are all dried, so now we get to start putting together the soup. So the very first thing we're going to do is to dump in these dried vegetables. All right, we have our veggies in, so next we're going to add 2.5 cups of noodles. All right, so we have our noodles. Now we are going to mix up our seasoning in this little bitty bag. So first we have a teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of parsley, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a bay leaf, and 2 chicken bouillon cubes. And that is our seasoning packet. Just gonna tape that up. And stick it right here with the noodles. And that is our canned soup, our dry ingredients. So now all we've got to do, we have our chicken that we're gonna tie to the bottom of this, is to seal this up. And we're gonna be using a food saver. It's not completely necessary, but it will help to make your soup shelf stable for a couple of months. And there is our canned soup. So all we've got to do is tie this up and we'll see you then. Okay, so this is our soup all finished. We've tied our canned chicken to the bottom, and on the top tied on a little tag that says Merry Christmas on one side and has the instructions on the other. So what you're gonna do when you are ready to heat this up, make this for dinner, is to this add 7 cups of water and boil it, and then you're gonna let it simmer for 20 or 30 minutes. Then you can take out the bay leaves and add the chicken and just stir the chicken in until it's all heated. And that's it. So this is a super easy recipe, great for a gift or just great for your pantry in general. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to be notified of all our future uploads, and we'll see you in the next video.